Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the top 5 exercises for gluteal and butt muscles. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. As you may know, the glutes are the biggest muscles in the body and play an important role in having a fit body. These days, many people seek to find some ways to strengthen and grow their glutes or butt muscles for aesthetic reasons. But having strong legs and glutes is not just about appearance. Strong glutes are essential because they are the main part of the body that maintains balance while someone is walking, sitting, jumping, running, or standing. Strong legs can also prevent pains that you have experienced in your back and your knees. If you spend most of your day sitting, your glute muscles are more likely to be weak and underworked. Don't you know how to grow your glute muscles? Don't worry. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 5 wonderful exercises to grow your glute muscles and make them bigger, rounded, and stronger. So, stick around to the end. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Single leg step up. This is a super easy exercise that you can do everywhere. It targets all parts of your glute muscles, hamstring, abs, and your lower back, but the main focus is on the glute muscles. For doing this exercise, you do not need any special equipment. You just need a higher place to use as a stair. It could be a chair, a bench, or gym step platform. Stand with a straight back. Put your hands on your waist. Put one leg at a 90-degree angle and place it on the higher place that you prepared for your exercise. Keep the other leg straight and firmly planted on the floor. Drive your body weight through the heel of your left leg and push off your right foot simultaneously. Pause and hold your weight at your chest in the air for a second. Slowly return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. If you want to add extra pressure to your exercise, you can hold dumbbells with your hands at chest level. Repeat the movement 15 to 20 reps for every 3 sets. Number 4. Kickback. Kickback is the next exercise we will suggest you do to grow your butt muscles. Because it is an intense exercise that targets your glute muscles, makes them round, lifted, and bigger. Go down on all fours, open your hands as wide as your shoulders, put your palm on the floor, keep your spine parallel to the ground, and tighten your core muscles. When you are on an exhale, extend one of your legs back and up smoothly until your thigh is in a line with your back. Hold the position for a moment and return to all fours. Do this exercise 20 times on each side. If you want to add more weights, you can place a dumbbell behind your knee, or you can put a Pilates band above your knees. If you want to engage your outer thigh, you can lift one leg up and away from your body at a 45-degree angle. Number 3. Scissors legs. Our next exercise is scissors. This exercise primarily works on your core, but it also engages your legs, your glute, and your back. For doing this exercise, you do not need any equipment. Just lay down on the floor. You can put your hands at your sides, but if you want to add more support to your back, you can place your hands underneath your tailbone. Then extend your legs and move them up and down. When your right leg is up, your left leg should be down, just like a scissor. You can do it in a different way that works more on your inner thigh. When you lift your leg, instead of going up and down, twist them in and out. This would also be a great exercise for you. Make sure you have a slight bend in your knees to keep your back out of extra pressure. Number 2. Single leg bridge. One of the most effective exercises which involve different group muscles simultaneously is the single leg bridge, which is a great movement for growing your abdominal muscles, thighs as well as buttocks, and little muscles of the lower back. You should start off laying down on the floor, bend your knees, put your arms by your sides, lift your hip as high as you can, and then raise one of your legs until it has a 90-degree angle with the floor, and now, press the hip up and down. Do this exercise for 45 seconds on one side and exact the same on the other side. Take your time while you are doing it. As you do it with control and slow, it will be more intense. Number 1. Squat. The first great exercise for your legs and hamstring muscles, which are the biggest muscles of your body and make you burn fat more than any other muscle, is squat. There are several types of squat exercises which target different parts of the glute. You can choose whatever is proper for your goal. In this video, we will instruct the most common type of it, which engages the hamstrings and butt. For doing a proper squat, you should stand up, open your leg as wide as your shoulders, and sit down on an imaginary chair. Hold the position for 3 seconds and stand up again. Do this exercise for 45 seconds. Be sure that your back is flat, your neck is neutral, and your knees do not go over your feet, because it will hurt your joints. If you want to add extra weight, you can hold dumbbells with your hand while you are doing squats, or you can put a resistance band above your knees. For growing your muscles, you need more than just exercising. You should consume your daily need for protein. You should give your muscles time to rest and recover, and have a healthy diet which is rich in protein, vitamins and minerals, and etc. Making a beautiful butt may be a little bit effortful, but the impact on your appearance, health, and your self-confidence will be worth all these efforts. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.